Morning, everybody. So, what I'm going to be talking about is my thought process on trades that I'm watching for this new week. So, we're going to start with the DXY. Already, if you watched the previous video where I talked about my analysis on DXY, you can remember when I talked about DXY coming into this position. So, I was using the futures as well. And right here, when you go to the weekly, you can basically see that this weekly time frame here, we have this weekly imbalance right here. You can see the imbalance right here. We already tapped into that imbalance. We're also inside an extreme premium zone. So always remember, when we have an extreme premium zone and fair value gap together, that's a high probability area that you really need to focus on and see if there's going to be any sort of lower time frame break of structure before you take your trade. So right now we go straight down. This is the weekly, so we'll go straight down to the 1 hour, and we're looking for a 1 hour major low break. And right here, this is the 1 hour low, 1 hour high. So if we see a 1 hour break of structure right here, that's our confirmation to start looking for buy opportunities on euro, buy opportunities on pound, and sell opportunities on USD card. So this is what we want to see. Once we see that, the retest will be an opportunity for us to start looking for short positions on this DXY and then buy positions on euro. So moving straight to my analysis on euro as well. As you can see, this is my extreme discount zone on euro. Price has come into that position and also tapped a 2 days imbalance. So I'm just going to have to wait for a 1 hour break of structure. So already we have a minor break of structure here, but also remember that this is the major high and the low. This is the minor high and the low. Now, if price should continue higher and break above here, I'm definitely looking for buy opportunities on euro. So moving on to USD card as well. USD card came into a premium zone. This is our premium. Tapped into our premium weekly imbalance. And after tapping into that imbalance, all we want to see is the 1 hour break. So already, also take notes that we have a 4 hour imbalance here, right here. So price before we will see that 1 hour break of structure, definitely going to see 15 minutes first. So already price is broken a 15 minutes low, given a retest, broken structure again, same time frame break of structure. But I'm still not on this trade yet. And the reason is because before I start looking for my entries, I like to see, first of all, either 1 hour break of structure or 4 hour or 30 minutes. I really don't like using 15 minutes and 5 minutes that much unless it's for a re-entry. Because if my first entry I'm using a 15 minutes, the probability price is going to come back and run my stop losses higher. But if my first entry I'm using a 1 hour, the probability of price running my stop losses is much lower. So that's why I'm having to wait for this 1 hour low. So this is the 1 hour low here. This is the 1 hour low that created this high. So I wanted to see price break below it, but unfortunately that didn't happen. We only took liquidity from there. I'll just zoom this in. As you can see, it was only a run on liquidity. And after that run on liquidity, price rallied to the upside. So now this is a complex break of structure because there wasn't a candle closure. So I'm definitely going to have to wait for price to break below this new low and close below for me to confirm a break of structure. Then I'll place my limit order on this low right here. My stop loss will be the overall high. And I'll be targeting for price to go to the downside. So this is my analysis of the trades that I'm watching this new week. So if you have any questions at all, just drop it below. And I'll see you all next time. Have a wonderful week.